going to explain about the oceans part 2, and it is in chapter 11 about 5 major oceans of the world. There are 5 major oceans of the world. Look at the map. The largest is the Pacific Ocean. Second largest is the Atlantic Ocean. Third is Indian Ocean. Fourth is Southern Ocean. And fifth is Arctic Ocean. The first Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the world. A large area is covered by this Pacific Ocean. And if you see the globe, it is bounded by, in the east, North America and South America, in the west parts of Asia and group of islands and Australia. If you see its length, east to west, it is about 1600 kilometers, and north to south, from Bering Strait to Southern Ocean, it is about 15,000 kilometers, and its average depth is about 4,200 meters. So it is the very large and very deep ocean of the world. In the central part, in this large Pacific Ocean, there are many islands. What are they? When the ridges are found above the sea level, they form islands. So, if you see the ridges, what are the ridges? Long, narrow mountains are ridges. And when they make deep valley, like V-shaped, very deep valley, that is known as trench. So, one example of this important trench which is found in this Pacific Ocean is Mariana Trench, and its depth is about 10,800 meters. So this is the famous Mariana Trench. Second is the Atlantic Ocean. It is generally, if you see, S-shaped. It is S-shaped, and north of equator, it is known as North Atlantic Ocean. South of equator, it is known as South Atlantic Ocean. And in this also, from north to south, in the central part, there is large chain of ridge. And these ridges also have formed some of the trenches, valleys. And some of them are like Puerto Rico Trench and Southern Ocean Trench. So like this, there are trenches and ridges found in the large water body. This Atlantic Ocean is very important for commercial purposes. Why? This ocean is the busiest seaway which is connecting Europe, Africa, South America, North America. Large water body which is connecting these continents with the help of the seaways, and they are commercially very important. Its average depth is about 3,300 meters. Next, the third important water body ocean is Indian Ocean, which is about 4,000 meters depth, and it is bounded by the large continents in the north Asia, in the east Australia, in the west parts of Africa. Due to the tapering shape of India, there are two seas in the northern part of Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea in the west of India peninsula, and in the east part of India there is Bay of Bengal. So these are the two seas located northern part of Indian Ocean. Next is the Southern Ocean, that is located south of all these seas and oceans, and that is surrounding the continent, that is Antarctica. So Southern Ocean is the southern part of Indian Ocean, southern part of Pacific Ocean and southern part of Atlantic Ocean, and that is surrounding the continent Antarctica. And it is also a vast ocean, and its depth is about not the average depth. At some places maximum depth is about 4,500 meters. And the last smallest ocean is the Arctic Ocean, which covers and surrounds the North Pole. This is the smallest water body which is surrounding North Pole. And this is the ice-capped region. Sometimes when it melts, there are large icebergs found there. So this is about the Arctic Ocean. Sorry, in Atlantic Ocean, there is ridge. In the northern part, the ridge is known as Dolphin Rise, and in southern part, it is known as Challenger Rise. This was left, sorry. Okay, do learn these 5 large water bodies. They are oceans. Thank you.